this question. It's called Find the Discount using the calculator. It needs a function that makes two arguments, the original price and the discount percentage of integers, and returns final price after the discount. So then some examples here. We have the 100 discount 75, price is 89, discount 1%. So basically for this question, the calculator should be here. If you want to find a discount of some number using a regular calculator, you take our number, over 100, and you multiply it by 0.25. Multiply by this, and we get our answer. This is how you do it. And same with 89. You multiply it by 0.80, and you get the answer, 71.2. Since we know this, we have to write in the code. So there's two parts. There's the price and the percentage. So we need a double, and that will be the discount. And if you go to the for the question, the discount would be 100 minus this price. Since we looked at our calculator, we saw that's how you calculate it. So I take 100 minus the percentage, and then from there, we're going to take the discount, and we're going to multiply this number by 0.01. So 0.01 is the number 100 minus the 20, so 80. Then we take 80 multiplied by 0.01, and then this is 0.8. Then you take this number times this, the original price, here 89 for this example. Or there. Okay. So now I see. Thanks for watching.